Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Small gated community of 39 units, conveniently located minutes from the Galleria and all that it offers. Second floor unit, overlooking the community pool, end unit with no neighbor to one side and no neighbor beneath. Washer dryer installed, stainless appliances stay and all utilities included in maintenance fee, even your air conditioner. Assigned carport west gated access. Great for investment or those seeking a nice quiet community, in the city but without the noise. Zone to Briargrove Elementary. Call to view.